Okay, so here's the sound slash voice acting portion of my multimedia art project. I've left the speakers on loud to see if you can hear the noise that is emanating from these animals and from my walking, incessant walking on this grass. So yeah, there's a lot of sound in this game, as you can kind of tell. There's a door opening, and there's walking on stone, and then water. Even throwing things into water will make noise, and jumping in and out. So let's yeah, you can see. Oh. Whoa, what happened? Seem to have woken up on a deserted island. Don't know how I got here. Seems to be something over here worth checking out. Wood. Crafting table. Pickaxe. Cobblestone. Dirt. And saplings. Sun seems to be going down. Oh. Hello, what's this? Seems to be a giant cave. Well, here goes nothing.